Rex, how are you today?
I'm okay, thank you.
So I see here you got one of our version 3 digital systems. How many cameras do you have in your system?
3 right now, 1 in the back and 2 on the side.
All right, so we got this one here. We got a side camera over there. Let me see if I can
Side on
zoom
the
in
left
on that
side.
one. I'll take a look at that. So what do you think about the cameras so far?
I love them, the clarity and everything, the easy installation, everything was really simple, very simple. After all, I'm 88. I'm no youngster again, you know. I'm
right.
not young, so.
And did you install the cameras yourself?
Myself, yes, I did.
You did? Oh, okay. You got up on that ladder and everything and put it up there?
Yeah,
And where'd you get the power for the back?
it's actually on the house power. The others are on directly on the battery power. Off the
Oh, okay. So are you using it while you're driving down the road?
It's on all the time,
Okay.
all the time.
Okay, great.
It runs, it's always there, always running.
So you're happy with it? And how's the night vision on it?
I don't drive at night too often. I couldn't tell you. That's
okay.
honest about it. I don't think I've driven at nighttime.
Oh, really?
Not this thing.
Do you use it when it's parked? Like if you're at the campsite, do you use it for security when it's
I
parked?
can look at it, yeah, once in a while I do, but it just, most of the places are pretty nice where we go. We pay to go, so the guard's there. But
Oh,
we're going to Pismo Sands and stuff like that.
Can you show us the split screen version of it? Like, can you change the view?
This one here,
Yeah.
there's,
Oh, there you go.
There, that's back and left side. And I'm looking at it.
How'd you get it so nicely in here?
Oh, I don't know. We just use it a lot. I mean, we kind of put the things where we wanted them. So,
Yeah.
I don't
You
know.
installed the monitor yourself?
Yes.
How'd you do it?
Just took that old heavy lit, that black and white one.
Right.
And the hole was there, and just left the hole and made the frame to piece with the wood here.
That's really nice,
and
yeah.
goes here. So this whole panel will be that. There's all these are inserts. It's like the television. We actually redid it too.
Yes, that looks really nice. And you said you had our system before?
Yes, when you were on in Brentwood.
Oh, in Westwood,
Westwood,
Oh, it was a
yeah,
long
right.
time ago. Was that on a different vehicle? What happened to that system?
I still have it in a box. You want it back?
No.
I'll give it to you for a trophy.
Okay.
No, it just we were happy. For 2 of us, this is really a nice setup. So.
All right, no problem.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part of the system?
The clarity of the whole thing, I guess.
You like the color and all that?
The color, everything is so sharp. It makes me think I don't need glasses even to read it. It's good. It's good. All
Cool.
right.
Hey, Rex, thank you so much. I
Thank you.
appreciate it. And come back anytime.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.